In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add audio in Card. Card is a simple, user-friendly platform for building one-page websites. And adding audio can really enhance your site by providing your visitors with an auditory experience. Whether you're a musician showcasing your latest track or a podcaster sharing your episodes, it's easy to include audio in Card. Let's dive into the process without further delay. To begin, you'll want to log into your Card account and navigate to your dashboard. Once you're ready, look for the Add button, which is represented by a plus icon. It is your go-to tool for adding various elements to your Card site. Clicking this will bring up a menu of options that you can add to your page. It's designed to be intuitive, with distinct icons for each type of element, making it easy to identify what you need. From this menu, you'll next want to click on Audio. This option will allow you to integrate audio elements into your Card site. Selecting Audio opens a new section where you can input the URL of your chosen audio file. It's important to note that Card supports URLs from popular platforms like Bandcamp, Google Drive, and SoundCloud. So ensure that your audio file is hosted on one of these services before proceeding. After selecting your audio platform, you simply paste the audio URL into the designated input field. This step might seem straightforward, but make sure your URL is set to share publicly, especially if you're using Google Drive. Private links won't work seamlessly and might create issues for your site visitors. Once you've pasted the URL, the next step is to confirm your action by clicking on the Done button. This confirms the addition of your audio element, incorporating it into your site. You can always go back and edit this if necessary, so don't worry if you make a mistake. Adjustments are a simple click away. Now that your audio has been added, it's time to make your changes live by clicking on Publish. Publishing applies your changes, making the audio available for all your site visitors to enjoy. After publishing, it's a good practice to test your site. Visit it as a visitor would, and check to ensure the audio plays correctly and without a hitch. And there you have it, a simple step-by-step guide to adding audio to your Card site. Remember, integrating audio can greatly enhance the user experience by adding another dimension to your content. So, get creative and see how audio can complement your site's narrative or theme. Thanks for watching, and happy web designing.